Lesson 1. Problems in the Paleolithic.
So, Oog, how much is this cave?
What if I told you it was 3 rocks? And then what if I told you it was only 2 rocks?
OMG! I'll take it, man!
Oh, sorry. Due to the current level of inflation, it's back up to 3 rocks again.
But I only have 2.5.
I've got another model you might want to see.
Okay.
Oh, here we are.
What is it?
It's the newest innovation in architecture. Such beauty, such grace. I wish I could have the autograph of the architect who made this.
Yeah, it's a stick.
Well, it's a very nice stick. It's quite straight, and it can be yours for just 2 rocks.
I can afford it.
But with tax, it is 2 3/4.
Oh, darn it!
Hello, my name is Johann Gammelpudding. Det var Asfren. Splendid slitte krass kranbarn, fried digger dingle dangle noggle, dungle, Bernstein var nacketbasher, applebanger, Horwitz, tickelinse, grandonaughty spell, dink, grandonish, grumble miles, spirituassel, kirschnick, himbelissin, graben, bandwagon, gutenbaden, bitte, and nerdburger, brat, wassen, gersman, mitz, minwein, lube, hansfer, grumbermeyer, stone, denk, krassrose, mittel, alke von Havenkamp, of Ulm. And I'm here today to take you on a magical journey about the joys of inflation. We will travel through the sands of time, and we will discover the secrets of inflation. This is my time machine here. Actually, I was kind of hoping you could help me on that one. I'm not exactly sure how it works, and
Scene 2. Ridiculous Rome.
I'll tell you what. At this rate of inflation, Rome will fall before the turn of the century.
Yeah, well, it's a good thing we get paid in salt. Salty.
I hate it when my diabetes interferes with time travel.
Actually, I think they changed our pay to copper recently.
Copper.
Actually, I think it will change to silver soon.
Silvery. Time travel noises.
As a matter of fact, inflation did cause Rome to fall. In fact, they had people pay their taxes with community service instead of actual currency. But was this inflation? And what is inflation? Hello, I'm Malcolm, Peter, Brian, Telescope, Adrian, Umbrella Stand, Jasper, Wednesday, Stoat Gobbler, John, Raw, Vegetable, Nay, Arthur, Norman, Michael, Featherstone Smith, Northgar, Edwards, Harris, Whoop, Mason, Chuff, 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 Frampton, Jones, Fruit Bat, Gilbert, will keep a welcome in the Williams, if I could walk that way, Jenkin, Tiger Draws, Pratt, Thompson, raindrops keep falling on my head, Darcy Carter, Pussycat, don't sleep in the subway, Barton, Manwatting, Hoot, Whoop, Smith. And I'm an inflation specialist. Inflation is a general increase in prices and fall in the purchasing value of money. Basically, there are two different types of inflation: monetary inflation and price inflation. Monetary inflation is referring to the increase of the amount of currency in circulation, while price inflation relates to the inflation of prices, or the increase of prices. That monetary inflation causes price inflation, which is more generally known.
Scene 3, Gelatinous Germany.
Olga, go buy a loaf of bread. Okay.
This must be Germany, 1924.
I got the bread. I thought I said a loaf. Yesterday, money could get loaf of bread. Today, only slice of bread. Dear God, it's hyperinflation.
Hello again. My name is Malcolm Peter. No, we don't have time for such nonsense. Anyways, hyperinflation is an inflation that is very high and/or out of control. In this case, everything was infected by inflation. The value of the German mark became so low that it was more cost-effective to burn the money than buy firewood. Thank you.
Scene 5, Future Funnies.
As you can see, kids, the purchasing power equals 1 over 1 plus the rate of inflation to the power of time.
Like, whatever. When are we ever going to use this in real life?
Well, Billy, inflation is a big part of your life already. If the rate of inflation gets too high, everything will become too expensive and you will have to go without food or worse, internet. Also, it makes debt easier to handle in some cases, and companies increasing prices allow them to be able to hire more people. Tell me, Billy, how much do you think a Pop-Tart costs today?
Well, I don't know, Mrs. Teacher. Like $100?
Well, if the rate of inflation is 5%, in 10 years it will cost $163.
So, gee, Teacher, has there always been inflation?
Since there was currency, my boy, since there was currency. Since there was currency, my boy, since there was currency.
Who the heck was that?
Hey, will you wrap this up?
Oh, hello, I didn't see you there. Did you enjoy your journey? I sure did. Who knew inflation could be so interesting? It was back when the cavemen existed.
Oh, no!
It caused the fall of Rome.
Silvery.
It was even present in Germany.
The bread. I thought I said a loaf. Yesterday, money could get loaf of bread. Today, only slice of bread.
And the future?
Well, I don't know, Mrs. Teacher. Like $100?
Anyway, next time you're in the neighborhood, why don't you just drop by? I'd be happy to have you. Just ask for Johann Gammelpudding. Det var Aspen. Sleeping Christmas.
What you say? That you only meant well, cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best, cause it ain't. What you say? That you only meant well, cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best, cause it ain't.
And that's how Mr. Rogers really died.
What you say? That you only meant well, cause you did. What you say?
Mr. Jesus Prophet says inflation is good for your soul.
This reminds me of Matt's dummy from the thing.
Okay, Jesus, stop. Pretty sure. Pretty sure.
Some satisfaction, like scientific notation and order of operation.
Oh, you can go now whenever.
Expeditious. My
Apparently
edges
this family
make
doesn't have
vicious,
enough
my erasers
money for a whole
with
loaf of
stitches.
bread,
I make wishes.
but enough for
I get the answer right, and I'll be staying up all night just to check what I write. Mathematicians. Mathematicians. Mathematicians.
How delicious is it, Dominic?
It's quite good, I'd assume.
On a scale of 1 to 11.
Locus of the points. Locus of the points. Locus of the points.
8.
Conservatively.
I'm up about figuring out greatest common factors, and when I make a pie chart, I'm in need of a protractor.
Yeah.
The angle
My arm's all
of
twisted.
elevation, thanks to my
Okay.
calculations, turns out to be
Look at that guy eat that
prime
bread.
number. I'm mathematicious. It makes me so ambitious. My answers are judicious. Later, never.
Says,
I'm recording.
Samson says,
Are you still recording?
Well,
Have you been recording the whole time?
not the whole time.
What are you doing?
Samson's gonna time shot. Okay, just get Samson in the shot, not me as much. Hey, Richard, get out of here.
Richard, get out of the trap. We're trying to get Samson. Okay.
Since there was currency, my boy. Since there was currency.